The retention socket was first designed to provide a reusable foundation for street furniture and hardware in the event of an impact. When an asset is impacted in a retention socket, the socket allows quick and simple replacement without the need for any civil-related work. Retention sockets come in a variety of different depths from 300mm to 900mm deep, and diameters from 48mm to 406mm. The impact you can see in this video is with an RS115 socket with a 600mm deep overall foundation, and this will house a 115mm diameter pole. To install a column into the retention socket, first remove the pedestrian plug along with the recessed side chamber cover to allow access to the two locking bolts. With the suitable post or hardware lowered into place, the bolts are then securely tightened to secure the column and to set its orientation. The pedestrian plug that was removed to allow column installation can be conveniently stored in the side chamber for later use. The side chamber is then securely fastened down. When the column is impacted, the retention socket takes all of the force of the impact and doesn't disperse the force into the surrounding concrete, providing a reusable foundation. Upon impact, the column is released from the locking bolts which, in the event of the column being knocked over the side chamber or into a busy lane, you would be able to rotate the column in the direction needed for safe removal. To remove the column, first remove the side chamber cover and then release the locking bolts, allowing the column to be lifted out of the retention socket. With the simple use of the quick release wedge extraction tool, the column is rotated inside the retention socket, which lifts the column in the socket, allowing it to be then levered out safely with a bar, removing the need for any costly civil work. If the damaged column is not being replaced in the same visit, the socket can be made safe for the public by installing the pedestrian plug and then securing the side chamber.